Hello everyone and welcome to another highlight lighting tutorial. And today we're going to talk to you about our RGBW LED strip with 96 LEDs per meter. Now in comparison with our 60 LEDs per meter strip, which has 6 LEDs every 100 millimeters, this 96 LEDs per meter has 6 LEDs every 6.25 millimeters. It is still powered with our SMD 5050 5-in-1 LED chip and over 12mm width. It is built with 3 ounces of high copper flexible PCB with a power consumption of 23 watts per meter with a total brightness of 1920 lumens per meter. We do have strip to wire connectors if you want to power a section of LED strips separately, as well as strip to strip connectors if you need to join 2 sets of LED strips together. I will leave a link in the description which will show you how best to use these connectors. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.